Hi guys, today we continue on building our React Native e-commerce mobile application, and as I explained last time, I use Yarn Workspace, and today we are going to check the package workspace. In the package workspace, I created a common folder where I installed a few dependencies in order for me to be able to interact with Firebase, to communicate with the server using Axios. I also installed React and React DOM, and I use those 10 for global state management. So this is for the package.json in the common folder.